In this video, we're going to demonstrate the roof mount kit from Starlink shop. In the kit, you get 2 stay bars, a 1.5 or 1 meter mast, a base plate, 3 bolts, 2 Tek screws and 2 roof screws. The end of the mast has been machined to fit the dishy directly without any modifications required, and allows for the cable to run through the centre of the mast. The Gen 2 rectangle dish has a removable cable, meaning you can run it up your wall, through the mast, and connect it directly to the dish, minimising the exposed cable to the elements and to wildlife. First, run the cable through the centre of the mast. Then attach the dish back to the cable and clip it in. Here you can see how easy it is to remove again. This protects your warranty with no need for modifications, bolts, hose clamps, or other modifications. Next, let's look at how we put it all together. With some silicone underneath to seal the holes, screw down the base plate. Feed the cable up through the mast, then loosely attach the bottom bolt. Loosely attach both stay bars and with the shifter, bend up the ends. With the mast roughly in place, screw down both stay bars, again using silicone to seal the holes. With the mast plumb, use the included Tek screw to fasten the stay bar in place. Do this for both stay bars. Finally, tighten the bolts and connect the dish. You can now safely connect the Starlink router and power on the device. For more information, visit starlinkshop.com.au or Google Starlink Shop Australia. Thank you.